Namaskar. This is Dr. G. Saxena. Dear IAS aspirants on watching YouTube and listening to podcast, here I am with you with some tips for IAS, civil services, forest services, and other interviews. So, what happens in IAS? They don't want to ask us just questions. It is not a question answer session, it is a personality test. In earlier YouTube message, I discussed a bit on interview, but now I am giving details of tips on interview because most of the interviews on IAS are yet to be held after COVID-19 lockdown is over. So those friends who are awaiting their interviews are being specially addressed. See, I have gone through all YouTube interviews, tips given by selected candidates, other interviews available, mock interviews on YouTubes and other sources. I have studied all of them and putting before you a complex and solved method as to what are the key takeaways from all these interviews and materials. With my own experience as retired IAS in career, I had faced so many situations. So I would share these things also, but first I will tell you what are the requirements in an interview or personality test. I call it personality test, not an interview, because interview is something question answers related thing. तो ब्रदर, अब मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि क्या क्या चीज़ें देखना चाहते हैं. सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ जो देखना चाहेंगे इंटरव्यू के दौरान, इट इज़ दे विल क्रिएट ए सिचुएशन फॉर यू कि हाउ you can handle a pressure situation. For example, you might have seen film Raid. I just saw it. In Raid, he is asked to talk to Prime Minister. And you know what happened? But I tell you my own experience. When I joined service during a Celtics raid, I was asked, so and so Home Secretary will talk to you. I thought the opportunity to grab the phone and talk to. At that time, mobile phones were there. I went out and I was about to pick the phone. My junior was there, an experienced holder. He said, "Sir, please confirm whether he is Home Secretary or not." Gave me the idea. When he told me, "I am so and so," I am not taking names. I said, "Sir, very good evening. I am in midst of raid and it will be improper if I listen to you. Second thing, they have given me that you are talking to me. I do not know. So you give me your number, I'll ring back." I never got that number back. Right? So the thing is, never ever during such circumstances, disaster management, raids, other inquiries, never pick a phone, now mobile phone. So you can always see, okay, you get the number, I'll ring back to you on same number. Because sometimes you will find that number was from Chavli Bazaar, while he was saying, "I am talking Home Secretary, Government of India." Means no phone from, landline phone from North Block. So it is like this. Now this is the pressure situation, how to handle otherwise. Now what traits they want to see in you, apart from pressure situations, whether you are able to handle the leadership issue. You have to show that you are leader. It is not any interview. It is civil service where you are going to serve the society, marginalized people. Our India is 80% poor country. Can you serve? Either you are DM, or you are income tax officer, or in any other service, civil service, forest service, you have to handle society, and then you have to see their interest is looked after, because there are three types of persons coming to you during your career. One is affluent, they can get the work done even if you don't want to. Another is they will come from Sifarish, your peer group, your bosses, others. They will get their work otherwise done. But third party will be without any source, orphan, poor persons who do not have any source to approach you. Please see that they are heard. Even in interview, you might be asked if three type of person come to you, how will you react? This is the answer. If two will take care of themselves, I will take care of the third. That is and you should speak from your heart, not banality. Another important thing which comes after you qualify for mains, you are asked to fill up a dossier about yourself. Who are you? What is your background? What is your educational? What are your hobbies? Other things. And we generally fill up without giving much weightage. But in interview, these dossiers are before all 4-5 interviewers. And must be very, 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 very clear about this. Now, I am giving an example of one of the 3rd or 15th rank IAS officer, that lady. Name was some male type name was there. She was giving the tips that I got all these names, how male name is there for a lady. Then I searched out some women who had male names about their backgrounds. Then she learnt about his father was a retired defense personnel. She learnt about defense procedures, purchases particularly, because that question may be asked, how can you deal defense purchases? Mother was in MCD, so all these situations of hospitals, safai, other things. If you are a farmer son, you must know about agriculture. If you are son of a trader, you must know what are the rates of taxes, GST and all. So these things you must remember. Then apart from leadership, courage. You must show courage during your interview by answering in such a way that people should know that you are a courageous person. Understanding, thinking quality, then problem solving should be there in your mind. Then can you work for poor persons when you are selected? So these are all things you must know about. Then question is asked, give me answer of how uniform civil code will work out. You must know the purpose of asking that question. It's not such civil code is defined in constitution or no. They are asking you, the present party has got an agenda of uniform civil code. Will they apply? If they apply, what will happen? Under what provision of constitution it is there? So you must understand what is the purpose of asking the questions. Don't answer in haste. Why? You should let them, at least let them know that you are thinking and then giving answer. Even if you know the question or answer very well, don't jump to the answer. Just give them thinking time that you are thinking about it and then. And एक कहावत मशहूर है कि जब तक तोल नहीं लें, कबीर की कहावत है कि तोल मोल के बोल, तो वो एक 2015 के IAS 8 लोगों का YouTube पर अवेलेबल है, उनका डिस्कशन, वंडरफुल डिस्कशन, वो यू मे फाइंड आउट, search out for YouTube. There are some very good interviews available on YouTube, but at the same time, in the name of IAS interview, the third class videos are also available. Don't waste your time. You only should concern yourself to the right thing. Suppose you give in hobby mythology, then you must know what are 5 concepts or preachings in Gita. Why, who asked or suggested to become Sarthi of Krishna? Krishna or Arjuna? Why Ram sent Sita, and did he know that she will go to Valmiki Ashram? These questions, mythology, you should remember. If you are a tennis player, then you should search out for tennis questions. Another thing, last thing I would like to tell you, that sometimes what happens, that your background, if you belong to IIT, you are likely to ask different questions. If you are from normal, so if you are computer engineer of IIT, they will ask you how many handles are there in platform, are there in social media, Twitter, who invented, who and all that. If you are from say rural background without computer knowledge, you will not be asked to question what is viral message in social media, what is terminology, something like that. You will ask what is digital marketing, what are digital rupee and something like this. So prepare yourself according to your capacity. If you are second divisioner, doesn't matter. They are not passed. If you are a failure 5 times and you are coming 6 times, if you are Shanmukasan, then tell them that because of these many mistakes I couldn't qualify, this time I am here. If you have got less marks, you should be able to justify. Don't get inferiority complex. There are so many qualities. I may continue. I am getting feedback from so many IAS aspirants. I am preparing myself for other queries, but slowly I will do it. This is important interview tips for forthcoming aspirants of IAS. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार.